Hello dear students, greetings to everyone. Welcome to my session. Dear students, before we go to the main course, main topic, let's play a simple game, maybe a childish game. Now, so there are 4 words placed on the screen. Kindly read them. Now, which word do you think is different from others? Pleased, glad, happy, sad. It is visible. Obviously, the word sad is different from other 3 words. How about the rest? Because the rest are in common meaning. They are in one single streamline, the other one is not. By now you could understand what are the 3 words. The 3 words are at one side, the one word is at one side. Now look at more 4 words. What do you think is word that is different from other words? It is, of course, the 4 words: beautiful, ugly, pretty, handsome. The one word is ugly, that is odd one out. The other 3 words are in common in meaning, common in parts of speech. Why? What are they called? One more. The 4 words: heavy, skinny, thin, slim. Oh yeah, the word heavy is looking different one from the other 3 words. How about the rest? The rest 3 are in one line. So, more 4 words: weep, laugh, cry, sob. The word laugh is different one. The other 3 words are in common. That is called odd one out, of course. See, they of course odd one out, but today's topic is not odd one out. Why are the rest are same? Why are they not called odd one out? Because there is a link, relationship, correlation, connection among these 3 words, not with this one. See, weep, sob, cry. They seem like are in one word. The one line. The other one is not. The other one is different. Okay. Now, let's go with it. Now, I request you to look at the following paragraph and tell me what are the words that you can encounter. What is the word or what are the words that you can encounter which are in common, which are repeating, and after you read the paragraph, you will tell me. Now I am reading for you. Jack is a great kid. His parents discovered his great power and great love of words when he was young. He read all the great books in the house at the age of 1. In each sentence there are around 3 to 4 sentences. In each sentence there is one common word that you can interlink with other sentence word. The word is, of course, the first sentence great, in the second sentence also great, in the third sentence is also great, in the fourth sentence there is word great. And if the words are repeating again and again in different sentences like this, don't you think too many times the word is repeating in single sentence is boring? Yes, obviously it is boring. And there is something that we need to, in the first sentence the word great is okay. In the second sentence again the word great is repeating. Instead of the word we can use another word, and that word should give equal meaning to the word great, and should have equal parts of speech too. Then the whole paragraph looks fruitful, grateful, and gives proper meaning. So what do you think do we need to do to make it more interesting? Yes, today's topic that we are dealing is synonyms. Synonyms are words that have the same meaning or similar meaning to the main word. And remember one thing, they need to be the same parts of speech. If I am giving adjective, the word, the synonymous words should also give the adjective words. Let's say the parts of speech adjective, word sad. The synonyms for this word sad is unhappy, which is also adjective, and it can go 9 to 15. The word verb cry. Cry synonym is we, which is also a verb. The same noun, the same adverb. It should go like this. And try not to give, see, there is a word called small. Small. It is an adjective word. Small. You can give tiny, yes, adjective. Less, lesser, lessest. No, you can't give. Less is, yeah, adjective. Less, short, thin, slight, mini. See, there are words like this. You can give. It is an adjective word, isn't it? So why do we need to use synonyms? What are they important for? So synonyms basically are very important, very useful when we write. So actually they can make your writing more interesting and enjoyable. So basically synonyms improve your vocabulary talent to make it more decorative to the paragraph, and it is useful to not repeat the words again and again many of the times in the paragraph. It also helps you connect from one word in a sentence to another word in another sentence. Makes you to improve your memory power, because in a paragraph one word has appeared, in another paragraph same similar word has appeared, and you try to connect, same similar meaning word has appeared in the previous word. So you try to memorize something. It helps you learn new vocabulary, new word, new similar word, and also it helps you to find more clarity in a paragraph. So this is how using synonyms are important in a paragraph. So basically synonyms and antonyms are found not in dictionary. They are found in a separate book. The separate book is called thesaurus. And people believe that the meaning of English words can be found in a book that is called dictionary, but synonyms and antonyms are not found in thesaurus. What is a thesaurus? It is a book that lists words and their synonyms and antonyms. Basically in a dictionary we can find the definition and meaning in detail, but synonyms and antonyms are not found in dictionary. In thesaurus you can find definition in detailed and in a short form, in a simple form, along with it synonyms and antonyms also. See, the word great, if you open synonyms, you can find their meaning in a dictionary very big in size, a number, but you can't find in a dictionary their synonyms and antonyms like that. In a dictionary you can find meaning 1, meaning 2, meaning 3. In thesaurus you can find synonyms. Synonym 1, synonym 2, synonym 3 according to their parts of speech. Big, large, huge, vital, serious, wonderful, excellent, cool, super, fantastic. It goes on, meaning 4, meaning 5, like that. So now I give you a small task. Now try to replace the red word with the different synonyms. So Peter caught cold last night. He was very sick. So let's try to look at the dictionary, the meaning of the sick. Parts of speech is adjective. Sick means like first definition, suffering from illness. The second meaning is suffering from a feeling of needing to throw up. Okay, it seems like definition 1 is resembling the picture here: bad, down, ill, unhealthy. So do you see the synonyms? Yeah, here we go. That is correct, isn't it? So basically, you need to note something here. Not every word has synonym. Not every word can replace with many of the words. So this is the reason. This might be the reason the dictionary is not extended to use thesaurus in the dictionary. So that is the reason it has different book. And if you open thesaurus, not every word can have their own synonyms and antonyms. And moreover, in a paragraph, you may not be able to replace one word with many other words. As you can find, different meanings, different words. Hope you understood at this point. Now, I'm giving you a little exercise. Look at it. When I'm big, I'll buy a big house and a big car. Outside the big house, I'll plant many big trees and build a big pond in my big garden. Big, 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 big. There's a word used many times. What is it? Do you think it is good to use the same word over and over again and again? Your adults, your professional students, it may look like childish teaching. But there is something that you learn. And this is the point where you need to learn where you do not know. Okay? Now, see, it is circled with the red mark. Now that red mark, big words should be replaced with large, gigantic, huge, spacious, roomy, enormous. Let's go with it. And replace it. Replaced? Did you replace? Have you guessed replaced? Now try to match with my answers. When I'm big, I'll buy a huge, a spacious house and a large car. Outside the roomy house, I'll plant many enormous trees and build a huge pond in my gigantic garden. This is how you make your paragraph more interesting by using different synonyms for the main word. Hope you guys understood the importance of synonyms. Now, in day-to-day world, try to avoid using the words n number of times in a paragraph and try to find out the decorative and the super language and interesting language by using different synonyms for one word to use. Thank you, dear students, and have a happy learning. And meet you in the next session. Bye bye.